Nestled on 22 acres of oak-filled pastureland in Sonoma, California, Sonoma Residence by Turnbull, Griffin, Haesloop Architects is a modern retreat that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. The gently sloping site slopes down to a spring-fed pond, creating a verdant backdrop that enhances the home's harmonious design. At its heart lies the open-plan living area, a light-filled space that blurs the boundaries with the outdoors, allowing for unobstructed views of the pasture and pond. Warm wood tones and polished concrete floors provide a minimalist yet inviting aesthetic, while a sleek fireplace anchors the space, offering a cozy gathering point on cooler evenings. Adjacent to the family room, the kitchen serves as a hub for culinary creativity and social interaction. The layout blends functionality with refined design, featuring a spacious center island topped with natural stone. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated, maintaining the clean lines of the space. Custom cabinetry in warm wood tones reflects the natural palette of the surrounding landscape. Strategically positioned, the kitchen overlooks the dining room and outdoor terrace, allowing the host to stay connected with guests both indoors and out. The bedrooms are designed as private sanctuaries, tucked away beneath a green roof that enhances insulation and blends the structure into the landscape. Each room is minimalist yet inviting, with large windows framing views of the meadow or tranquil pond. Soft natural materials, from wood paneling to organic textiles, create a warm and soothing atmosphere. The master bedroom, in particular, offers direct access to the outdoors, extending its private oasis to a secluded patio area. The pool house is an extension of the home's commitment to indoor-outdoor living. Designed as a multifunctional space, it includes a playroom, guest suite, and dressing room. Shade trellises soften the sun's rays, providing a comfortable retreat during the day, while the adjacent pool shimmers invitingly. Poolside fire pit and dock enhance the area, making it a favorite spot to relax during the day and gather under the stars at night. The thoughtful design of the Sonoma Residence not only fulfills the owner's desire for a home that facilitates indoor and outdoor living, but also demonstrates a deep respect for the natural landscape. By preserving existing oak trees and incorporating sustainable technologies, the residence is a testament to environmentally conscious architecture that enhances the beauty and utility of its surroundings.